Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you two important functions on a Nikon D7000. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of those two important functions and the overall setup of the camera. Let's get started. First, the physical controls on the camera are very important to learn before you can take your first picture. The STD card of 16GB and the memory card is located here as well. The battery is located at the bottom of the camera, as you can see here. To detach the lens, the button is located here. Push in and screw the lens left. When first buying a Nikon camera, the many different features can seem pretty challenging. With any typical camera, you can overlook the default settings for the flash feature. As the first important setting, it is crucial to know how to operate the flash on your Nikon camera. Above the bracketing button is a small lightning bolt. Press this button once and it will open the flash located on the top of the camera. This can trigger off camera flash units. You can also select this button for different flash modes. Press the info button located at the bottom right and a green light will come on. The LCD screen will light up, showing all of the camera's current settings. Press and hold down the lightning bolt button referred in step 1. Next, using the scroll button called the rear command dial located in the top right of the camera of the same side of the LCD screen, the standard or default mode is the usual mode for the front curtain when you press the shutter button. By rotating the rear command dial to the right, the red eye reduction mode will appear with the sign of an eye. This will help reduce the red eye in a subject you are focusing on. Rotating the rear command dial to the right while also making sure it is on automatic, this will change the flash mode to a no flash mode. This will slow down the shutter speed and it will be slower when wanting to capture the background light. Another option for a flash setting is the rear curtain flash. You need to make sure the camera is on manual mode instead of automatic. The rear curtain flash means the flash will fire at the end of the shutter opening. Once you've set the flash and set the appropriate setting for the right occasion, the flash will still pop up on the top of the camera. Second, there is another important feature on the Nikon camera, that is how to operate the focus lock setting. Focus lock is a perfect technique to use when you want to vary the composition by positioning the subject in different areas of the frame. Once you have locked the focus, you can position the subject anywhere in the frame, and as long as you remain the same distance away, it will be sharp. In order to change the focus lock modes, there is a button that has an AF and M located on the bottom left hand of your camera, directly below the lightning bolt described above. To practice using the focus lock, you need to first set your camera to single shot autofocus mode, AFA. This stands for autofocus automatic. You can view to see which mode the camera is set in by the screen on top of the camera. In the bottom left, you can also see the settings set to AFA. While holding down the AFM button and moving the front dial, this will change the autofocus lock conveniently as well. You can then recompose your image so that the subject is anywhere in the frame, but you must keep your finger on the shutter release. Once you are satisfied with the composition of the camera, you can press the shutter fully to take your shot.